Inner Explorer has been a big help in my classroom. My first year teaching, I didn't have Inner Explorer, and it was really difficult for me to stay consistently calm throughout the day. But Inner Explorer, doing it first thing in the morning, this is my third year teaching now, and doing it first thing in the morning really helps me have consistently calm, mindful days. Inner Explorer impacts my students in a positive way. When we start our day off doing Inner Explorer, my students have the expectations that we are going to have a good day. It's that simple. And once we're done with Inner Explorer and we start our academics, our classroom, my students are really focused in on the academics, and they're able to get all the negative thoughts, things that are going on at home, things that might be hindering them usually during a regular day, is out of their minds. As a mother and a fairly new teacher, Inner Explorer has really helped me in my life. I'm able to really be mindful of what my mind is doing and why am I feeling this type of way. I'm actually able to take a mindful minute or take a mindful breath if I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed when I'm with my daughter.